This vegetable soup with pasta is my go-to lunch at the moment, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to make using the Justme soup maker. Use whatever veg you have in stock, whatever's your favourite. You can use frozen veg too. Here we're using onion, celery, potato, swede, kale and spinach, and a little bit of frozen veg. Make sure your pieces are chopped up small. Pile it all into the machine. A handful of pasta makes the soup nice and filling. Make up half of one of these pots to make up your stock, and then we want to select the chunky function on the machine. This gently cooks your ingredients without blending. This soup is chunky, it's filling and it's so tasty, and you can experiment with this recipe time after time. Try out different veg, try a few spices or pulses. We provide some recipes in the box to get you going. To buy this amazing soup maker, head over to our website. It's also at Amazon.